Terror begins again.
Guys, good morning. Here we are represent Team Wizards from Vested Dream Team, and today we are going to witness one more amazing personality for this leadership session series. Before telling him, let me tell something about him. So he's the person. He started his journey at the age of 17 when he was not matured at that time, but slowly he learned a lot of things and he matured enough. And today, you know what, guys? He's the person just started 6 months back his journey in Vestage in 6 months. In 6 months, he earned 1 lakh income and he declared himself self-made Lakpati, guys, at the age of 20. So I'm going to invite that person. So he is the person, our creator, our team Wizards creator, our mentor is none other than Mr. Munichekar sir. Before inviting him, everyone must and should on your videos, guys. He is not a normal guy, right? So here we go.
Our Wizards creator. Okay, let's invite. Come on. Comments. I need comments from your Muniji. Come on. Like that you comment. So I'm going to invite. Come on, guys. Come on. Muni sir. So here we go. Let's invite our creator, our Wizards creator, Mr. Muni sir. Sir, can unmute sir.
Yeah. How are you all?
I'm so excited, sir.
So, guys, okay, I can see you people, right? So, everyone came? Yeah, okay. My voice is audible, right, for everyone? Okay. So, how are you guys? So, can you reply in chat box? How are you? Good. So we are here to start leadership series season 2. That too we are starting with me only. Okay. So many people asked me, sir, why can't we know about you instead of before knowing others? Right. So yes, we'll be starting in a few minutes. Right. Please make sure that you are at a good network place so that you will be having no interruptions you'll be having. Right. Okay. Okay then. So shall we start the thing?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Okay then. Hello guys, like what do you wanted to know from me? Like, yes, we are connecting leadership series. Hope you listen everyone's journey and suggestions you got from them. And last, finally, you got some. I mean, like what I need to tell, like you got some doubt solution. Now, what do you wanted to know from me? Right? You
Sir,
want to know my journey or what you want?
we all are need your network marketing journey, sir.
So, can I know why the reason? Can anyone put in a chat box why you want to know my journey?
Come
One
on,
reason.
guys. Come on. If you really want to know
One reason why you want to people know to my journey, so that I'll tell you. Because it's not a 1 day journey, it's a 4 years of journey. I mean, like 3 years of journey.
come on, guys, do comments. Awesome journey. I really 50% reason about him. Okay, na, it's awesome journey. If you really want to know, then comment.
Yeah. Okay, sure. Okay, I'll start my journey. Okay, from where I should start, I am not getting, but I'll start from the day when I got the opportunity of a network marketing. Right? Hope you guys, I don't know, like if some people know or don't know, I don't know. But the thing I wanted to know that I didn't started with Vestige network marketing. I started network marketing with another company. Okay, I'll tell you everything. Right. Hope you will take everything in a positive way. Okay. So really, sir, people are getting increased one by one, one by one. So okay. So the journey I started on exactly on 2016, September 16. September 16, 2016, I got an opportunity of network marketing. Actually, when the day comes, the day when one of my senior came to me and he told me, so sir, he came and he told me that we are going to have a big project. So we are recruiting the people. I want you to be there. So he said that like I was really excited to do something big, okay, in my life. So he invited me. I went and I sat in front of him. And one of the person, like on that day, my uncle came. He told that let's go for film. But I said no, uncle. Like I was going to meet one of the senior. He told that he is going to discuss with me a project. I didn't go to film. I went to him. Okay. I went and sat with him in front of him. He is totally stranger. I'm new to college, right? Exactly. I think so. August, the college starts. August 12th, the college starts, and September 16th only. Not 1 month, exactly 1 month completed. Senior came. You obviously knows when you are into the first year, when a senior comes to you and talks, you will feel what? You will feel something ragging, right? It's an engineering, yes or not? So that was the thing. So when I was like that, I was thinking. So okay, I did and I went. Okay, when I went there, he opened his book and he was showing the plan and everything. And finally, everything was superb. Finally, he told me that to pay some money. Okay, it was a company where we need to pay around 17,000. Like, okay, he told me to pay. So I was confused what I should do. Okay, so I started somehow like I talked to my parents. My parents told no, because even I don't know why they don't know, because we are guys, I'm telling you, we are little rich, actually little rich. Okay, so when I got to know, like I used to spend lot of money. Okay, but when I came to Bangalore in my first year, I didn't used to go, like what I should say, I didn't used to spend more money also because of some financial problems. I on the day when I asked my dad, he told that he told no. When I asked my mom, she also told no. But what I am doing, instead of doing wasting time, I am telling that I will be going into one of the opposite, right? But they told no. Okay, just a minute, guys. Yeah. Okay, they told no. So I'm not getting what I want to tell. So what happened? I asked that person, bro, it's not possible for me. I'm not going to join. So like I told him no. He called me many times. I rejected him. Finally, he came to my room and he sat in front of me and he asked again, why you don't want to join? My mom and dad is not accepting. How can I join? Okay, he told only one thing, that, my dear friend, why your mom and dad is not accepting? Right? Because they don't want to join into this type of things. You tell me, my dear friend, you're paying college fees how much? Lakhs, 2.5 lakh? You're paying 2.5 lakh. Why 17,000 you're not able to pay? That means you're not capable, or else you're having something problem in your home. I told that I'm nothing problem in my home. Right? Once ask your mom and dad, you'll get to know. So on that day, I genuinely talked with my parents. On that day, I got to know one big news, that they were in the debt of 1 crore, right? Where they used to, like, 1 crore totally got debt. You know, guys, that is a day where I felt very bad. That on that day, I realized that I've spent a lot of money simply wasted. So because parents doesn't tell us anything, right? Parent doesn't tell us anything for us. So they only do sacrifices for their childrens. So they not used to eat a full food also. Morning they didn't take breakfast, only lunch and dinner. And they used to save some money. You know how much money they are given me, pocket money? 200 rupees they are given pocket money for me, uh, for spending in a Bangalore. You tell me, guys, but 200 rupees what we'll be getting in Bangalore, right? 200 rupees they used to give me a pocket money. I used to feel really bad. That time I got to know this is the thing. On the day, my mom, I asked, like, she was not at all accepting. Right, that time I got, it was really bad. Now you tell me, guys, my situation is very bad, where I cannot afford at least 1 rupee. Whatever amount I paid, 2.5 lakh of college, it was not paid by my mom, dad's money. It was paid by selling total gold of my mom. Not even single, everything has sold, everything, for the sake of only one college, that to pay my college fee, that too for engineering, that is not, which is non worthless now, right? So that's what, like, they just believe me because they seen my happiness. They didn't see their happiness in their goal. You know how girls likes the goal. Okay, that was the day where I have felt very bad, and the day I asked him, so my brother, like, this is the situation. He told me one thing, that, my dear friend, like, this is the situation. Now you are the person who can change, or else you are the person who can, I mean, like, simply, I mean, like, what I should say, cry. Okay, either you want to feel, or else you want to make to want to situation something better. So that time I have taken a bold decision. He told me, want you make your parents to cry every day, or I mean, like, next after completing your college, or else you want to work for first 4 years and you want to make after 4 years your parents happy. And he has shown some of the people who came into this business and who was happy. Okay, so, like, he has shown me, then I got inspired and started the business. And I asked my dad. He told that he'll be sending. I told him that, dad, something personal development project money, all those things. And I asked, he just he just sent me the money by asking some of the people. He asked me, he begged, and somehow he has sent me the money. Because, see, that's what my dad, that's what the parents helps us. When you ask something now, they will definitely will give, if you ask honestly. Okay, dad, please, I want this, please give me this, I'm going to do something big, like, I want to going to, instead of wasting time, I want to do something. So he had given me by doing depth. That also, that 17,000 also by doing depth he has given me. Guys, I started like that my journey. So that's the day when I asked, my dad has given. On the day I really got inspired. He believed me, Lord, why can't I do something for him? I just really started on that day. On that day I started. What happened, like, I started, I worked for 2 months, I earned like nearly 32,000. This was the journey I started initially under 2016 September. October, November gone. Okay, 32,000 I earned, right? Alright, before going to that, before ending that 32,000 also, I went to convention called in Surat. In Surat, that company convention was going on. I went at there. So, you tell me, guys, for going Surat, how much money is required? Can anyone comment in the chat box? Chat box. Surat, in the sense, it's a Gujarat, for going and coming for 3 days. For 3 days, for expenditure, I mean, charges, food, and everything. In time we went. How much it will be cost? You just tell me. 4,000 to 5,000, right? Come on, like, be little fast so that I can tell, because it's not a 1 year story. I'm going to tell. I'm going to tell a lot of things. In chat box, you can comment. The more option you will be facing there. Right. Okay. Hope you people are able to listen me. Like, many people are not able to interact with me. Guys, if you are not able to interact, I doesn't feel like I'll feel little bored that your people are bored. If you people give me message, I'll get to think, right, to tell something. Right, 7 to 8K. So on an average, you people are telling minimum 3,000. My dear friends, I went with 500 rupees. With 500 rupees, I went and came for that convention with 500 rupees. You people will believe me or not, I went with 500 rupees. I was taking the bus to railway station. It was around 25 rupees. From there, I didn't take ticket only. First of all, I didn't take ticket only for Surat. So I went in a general compartment without taking ticket. I've done it there. I went there. I spent, hardly, on that day. I'll show you my the dress which I wear. 1 minute. See, this was the thing. See, 50 rupees tie. I weighed 50 rupees tie, a 3 rupees, 5 rupees pen, and a 100 rupees shirt, which was sold by outside places. Belt was borrowed by one of my friend. Pant was like, it was my PUC first year pant, and shoes was borrowed by one of my friend. My leg size was 8, but the shoe size was 10, and only the watch was given my dad gift. It was a 3,000 around. So this was the thing. This was the entire whatever I'm wearing there. It's not more than 200 rupees I spent, because they said that without formals you are not able to enter into that convention. Okay, I spent 200 rupees there. In 500 rupees, 200 rupees spent, and 25 rupees for that. Remaining 210 rupees, 210 rupees, 50 rupees. I used to, like, daily night time we used to spend at bus stands, and I used to sleep there, and I used to go, because only my intention was that I want to grow. If I want to grow, if I go to such type of convention, I'll explore my mind. Because if you want to grow in anywhere, you need to improve your knowledge, right? Like that, I thought and I went off. I spent there with 200 rupees. I spent my food. I didn't eat food only. I'm telling you, 3 days I didn't eat food only. Only just one bun for entire day. One bun entire one day. Like I used to take like that. I went and came. After going and coming there, I got a lot of knowledge. Why, guys? I got a lot of knowledge. But do you know one thing? I felt only one thing bad, that these 3 days, how horrible it was. The 3 days, which was how horrible it was. The food I didn't eat. Like I am a guy that when I was in PUC, I used to spend per week, minimum to minimum 5,000 I'll be spending. Per week, minimum 5,000. Because we having a good money. Because suddenly, due to some circumstances, we came into the debt of 1 crore and we used to run a lot of things. We came very down. So that time, like I am like, see where how your life and how it came. So I felt really bad. Then that motivation, that situation learns me, teach me to work. So then I started working. I started taking serious. Okay, even my family was supporting at that point of time. Right, at that point of time, my family was supporting. Right, so I started doing. For 2 months I've done, in 2 months I earned nearly 30 to 35,000. 30 to 35,000. I built more than 50 teams. Okay, in just 2 months. Okay, that was the point of time where I built a big thing. And you know what happened after that? Like I just started. 50 team was built, right? You know how we built that 50 team? um in the in the college event, and we went for Geetam college. It's allowed from Reva University. I was from Reva University. It was from 30 kilometers far, right? 30-40 kilometers nearly. Okay, there is no buses also, like very rare bus. It used to I mean, situated in a very village area. Okay, so we used to travel there. Early morning we used to left, and at the night 10 o'clock we used to come there from there. Okay, we used to, because why means, because in Trevor University, everyone, I told to a lot of my friends, everyone is negative. Everyone is telling anti. Everyone is telling much of this was not going to work. No one is accepting, but I want to do. But they were telling no. But nothing is there wrong there. But still people are like that. But I went to another place, and there was my friends. He believed. So because one person believed me and started, that's why I went and there and I built 50 team. That time also we used to travel with like nothing. Like we used to travel in lorries. There used to be lorries. They will be giving a help for free of cost. I used to go and come like that. I used to do my work like that, because after completing my college, I used to go at evening 5 o'clock, and I used to reach by 5:30 there till 10 o'clock. I'll be working. Night at midnight 12 o'clock I used to come. That time I used to stay in my college hostel. My daily the security guard, he used to make me, like, give me a punishment for 2 hours to be outside. You know how Bangalore climate will be at the night. Till 2 o'clock he used to make me out, right? Till 2 o'clock. Till 2 o'clock he used to make me to be outside only. Right, then he used to enter me. Like again morning again, because attendance is required, right? Because I gave promise to my parents, I will be fulfilling this. So I used to again attend my class. So this was a journey I have spent for some days. What happened, but just I blindly build them, but I didn't learn the skills. I didn't learn the skills. What happened, suddenly exams came. I focused on exams. I suddenly left the business and I was focusing on exams. What happened, like I used to control everything. I don't know the management skills. I don't know the management. Just blindly I built. What happened? Suddenly team got fault. It became zero. 50 people quitted. 50 people stopped and told, we are not going to do this business. Leave us. They told this thing. I was blanked. 1 year, nearly 1 year completed. Nearly 1 year completed then. After they quitted, nothing has made. So that was the part where I became very down, right? So holidays came. So I don't know like what to do. I came here in Tirupati, and I came here because holidays I used to be here. I told to some of my friends, here the people who used to do like this, and we just started here, and little by little we built. Okay, what happened? Again I came to Bangalore second year. Again I just started building. Again by building, that time what happened? I started building. I build. Again, I build by utilizing Tirupati and Bangalore network. I used to travel parallelly for every monthly once. 1 minute, guys. Now, now is it okay? Voice? Yeah. Okay. So what I used to happen, like I used to go and come. So like that, I used to build a team here. So this was the dedication. You know what happened after that semester? By seeing these things, my mom got a call that like this was the thing. If you are a person, I mean, like my uncle was told me like he was doing network marketing. I used to upload pictures in a group, right? He has seen in social media groups, and he had told that if you are a person, if he is going to continue this network marketing after 4 years, he's going to keep a shop at Tirumala, the where the Balaji temple was situated. He told us this comment where immediately my dad and my mom felt bad and they told that, right, immediately stop this. That time they became anti. That time they started stopped supporting and they started, right, I mean, like shouting upon me. See, you tell me, my dear friends, I'm not having money. I'm having experience, 1 year of experience. I lost the team, but I want to do something because I got to know the situation of what happens exactly after engineering. So everything I got to know. But my moms are not supporting. My friends are not supporting. Like no one is supporting for me. Who? Whom I need to believe? So no one is left. Right? Everyone blank. No one friend is on. Right? If I want to start network marketing again, I have to build a team with the people who I doesn't know. I have to start like that. So what happened? So second year started somehow, like I will one friend again, I got it. He started from here. So we started from Tirupati, again Bangalore, Tirupati, Bangalore, Tirupati, Bangalore. We used to build for entire 1 month. You know, nearly 100 people. 100 people we built. Right, in next 1 year of journey, we built more than 100 people. Right, we built more than 100 people, and you know what happened again? You know what happened? See how I lucky I am. How lucky I am. You know, I built 100 people. Now the person who joined me, the people who are supporting me, they quitted. The person who joined me, they quitted. Now I am alone. It's like how, you know, like taking you, like if your mom and dad, they were with you, they were taking to you an unknown place, and suddenly they were leaving you and they were going to somewhere. How you feel? Such a type I am. Right, I don't know how to manage the team, my dear friends. Really, I'm telling you, because they didn't teach me. Because see, why I used to conduct trainings every time is because this is the thing, my team doesn't gets to know. Because the person who gets a pain, he understands the pain. That's why he will not makes he is, I mean, things to not to get. If your parents have felt something bad, their wish is only one thing: their children shouldn't be getting like that. Same in the network marketing, whatever pains I got by not having an upline proper support, proper knowledge to him. That is the only reason why I used to conduct regular training meetings and regular updates in the group, because my team shouldn't feel that there was no upline support. So that was a pain I got. 100 people. No, I don't know how to manage 100 people. I'm telling you honestly, I'm not that much of mature. My age was just 18. Because when I was in college first year, my age was 17, and when I was college second year, my age was 18. I'm not much of matured also. Right? So I was thinking very much blind. So I became very much alone. Right, I become alone. No support from parents. I'm not getting what to do. So what happened, you know, that time I got to know there was a convention, I mean, like there was a meeting which was going to held on Hyderabad. It was taken by a superb leader, one of the person who was, if I can attend that, I can learn everything. If I can attend that, I can learn everything. You know what happened? I wanted to go, but I'm not having money. You know how much money I'm having? 10 rupees. 10 rupees I'm having in my account. From Bangalore to Hyderabad, I need to go. If I want to go to Bangalore to Hyderabad, the bus charge only itself for 400 to 500 rupees, and 300 rupees around train ticket. You know what happened? That time, my intention was to go, to do something. But no more there anyone needs to help. I asked me, every one of my friends, they tell no. Everyone. You know what happened? That time Google Pay became. Google Pay. Scratch cards. Right? So what that scratch cards happens? That scratch cards, my friend came that, Macha, you send me 150, I'll send you 150. We both will scratch cards. You will get money. Right? He told me. But one thing you need to do. Right? The money what are you getting for first? Right? If I invite you, I'll get some money. That money you shouldn't ask me. Right? You'll get 100 rupees. Okay, I tell. Okay, I told okay. I was very worried. I was cried and I slept up because my friends are not supporting, my parents are not supporting, no one is there with me. Like, what can I do? But I want to do something because it's very pain. Because I can't ask my parents, Mom, give me pocket money. Guys, you tell me, guys, when you're in the first year, you want to enjoy with your friends, right? If you're not having money, who will help you, right? I wanted to enjoy. You know which phone I used to have? You know which phone I used to have? A phone which was a base phone, Nokia keypad phone. You tell me, guys, when you're in the engineering, if you're in this world, when you're having a keypad phone, how you do feel? My friends used to criticize me. Macha, give me that. That time Clash of Mini Militia was famous. Give me, I'll play Mini Militia in your phone. Right? It hurts me a lot. It hurts me a lot. Right? I can't ask my parents. I can ask my parents, they can give, but I have to understand my parents also, right? Being a such type of problem, they're not eating at least food. This is a sense makes me to ask them. I have to understand them. I didn't ask them anything. But I felt very bad. I didn't tell my situation because if I felt that, right, many times they used to call me, "Are you happy?" "More, Dad, it was super happy. 200 rupees is more for me." Right, like this I used to tell, but I used to cry inside. So nothing happened. Nothing. This was the pain motivates me to work for money. This was the pain. The pain I can't tell to my parents. My parents doesn't give me. Right, I want to make them happier. And even my brother was there. He used to study. Right, and they were worried about next year fees. So what happened, like that time Hyderabad I want to go, like I like that I got I thought all of the things and I got cried and I was slept off, my mood was off. So I woke up, my friend has came, he told like this, okay, I'll do transaction, you do it out. You know what happened? I thought, I don't know, sometimes God will be there or not. On that day I done a scratch card. That person got in that scratch card, I think so, 12 rupees. He got 12 rupees. You know I got how much? 988 rupees I got. 988 rupees I got in that scratch card. I'll show you that scratch card. Wait. One minute, guys. See, I'll show you. See, this was the thing. You're able to see my? Anyone can reply? Vasanji? I hope you don't unmute yourself. Mute.
Ah,
Yeah,
yeah, Ji.
Vasanji.
Yeah, Ji, yeah, Ji.
Yeah. You can see, right? 988 rupees. This was
Yes,
the thing.
yes, 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 yes.
Right? This was the thing helped me to go there. Guys, it was really the day, you know, immediately I got at night, 8 o'clock. Immediately I ran away like anything. I catch my bag, diary, pen, that's it. No dress also. I used to not have that much of clothes also. Only 4 pairs of clothes for entire week. Like I used to have only 4 pairs. So I just ran away. I went and catch the train in general only. I had taken a ticket. It was around 200 rupees, I think so. Ticket I have taken. I went off. I went off. I attended the meet. You know what happened? You know, I didn't take my food on that night, and I didn't like train journeys. Train journeys actually it is very anti for me. Okay, I don't like train journeys. My health was a little upset. I was having a little asthma. I can't bear for like what I should say cold air. I can't go to cold places. If I go to cold places, what happens? You know, like it will become a lot of problem for me. So that time I didn't carry it. In that excitement, what I used to do, I didn't carry my bedsheet also. I went and slept in a general. You know, general how it will be. Right, lot of cool air was coming inside. Right, fans we cannot stop. There is no there will be no switches also. Right, lot of, you know, I got full health problem. I am not having tablets also. In that hurry buried and that happiness, I didn't carry anything. I just went away. You know, morning I reached Hyderabad. My health was a little upset. Somehow I attended that meeting. I learned everything. I learned everything till afternoon. You know what, afternoon, after happening afternoon, what happened? You know, I came outside of the hotel. Right, I'm having left of 500 rupees. I'm having 500 rupees with me. Okay, so what happened now? I came outside. After coming outside, what happens? You know, I went I came, just I went and had a little food, not more food. I'm like, I don't like to eat outside food also, but I left with 500 only. If I want to go return, at least I need to have minimum 3 to 400 rupees savings, or else I'll be struggling in Hyderabad. No one can help me. So with 100 rupees, I need to adjust. I ate a small food, like which is around 50 rupees. I ate some rice. Okay, after eating that rice, what happened? I got started vomiting. On the roadside only, I used to do vomiting. In front of the Secunderabad railway station, I used to do vomitings. People were seeing me. They were shouting upon me. Right? They were beating me. Right? I'm thinking that I'm what I am. What is the situation? Right? I literally cried. No one is there to help me. I cannot call to anyone. So like such a type of situation. Right? Not a problem. My health was totally upset. I thought that my life was ended there. My life was ended there. See, my dear friends, we can't tell that when our situation is good. I am not like, whenever my situation was good, I used to study in my PUC. I used to spend 5,000 public. I know I never felt a money problem. Simply, I used to waste money. That time I used to save 10 rupees also. That day I felt very bad. That situation really it makes me hurt. It has happened here. So what happened next? Like somehow I taken a bus. Okay, I booked one of the bus. There was no RTC buses that time, like in a proper time. I booked my private bus. You know what happened? That private buses, private buses, maximum AC buses will be for long journeys. I booked long journey. It was 12 hours. SRS travels. It was totally AC. That time also I'm not at all. Midnight I reached 2 o'clock to Bangalore. They didn't stop that. Like I'm not having like anything. Like my money has over. My money got over. After booking that money got over. I got outside of that bus in Bangalore highway. They dropped me. Right, it's nearly 10 kilometers far from our college. I think so. Bangalore Cross. The people who are studying in Reva University, they'll get to know. Bangalore Cross. I done there. There also I started again things. Right, midnight 2 o'clock. No one is there. I'm not. My phone got switched off. Right, only the basic phone. Na? Nothing. Somehow I asked someone, people left. One of the police person was going. Somehow I taken lift. I went there. Again, their security, he was shouting upon me. Somehow I begged him and I asked him, please, like, then I entered somehow. I got like this. What happened? Like now I entered. So what happened? My 2 years have gone. Like it was long gap has came. Like people were like very much cultivated to like like people will be, if we live 2-3 days, people what happen, they will become normal. So because of no one is there, they thought that negative, and again 100 people was gone. Again only 3 to 4 people left. Not 10 people left. Remaining all people gone. So my second year was like that. My college second year was ended like that because of these things. And third year it was started. Okay, that time I used to have the 10 people. Right, with the 10 people I used to again started building. 2 times I failed. Again I started with 0. Okay, that time still, even though being in third year, I'm not having that much of money. And you may have one question that what is that starting you got 32,000, right? What you done? I'll show you. Wait, what I have done. This was the thing I have given to my mom. Around 14,000. You're able to see?
Yeah.
Right, this was the thing. Right, this was the thing I have given to my mom, because only one thing I starting only fixed whatever money I'll get. First thing I used to do this thing because my mom has paid me money. My mom has paid me money because by setting her goal, I have to give that. I have given that. So that was the thing. Next thing, what happened? Remaining money, what happened? Remaining money, whatever the meetings I attended, everything I have taken debt from my parents. Sorry, not my friends and other known people. I asked them and I begged him and I have got that. Somehow I got, and I've given them all that money. okay, for my traveling, all those things. So like that I spent that money. So this was my second year gone. Okay, so third year. So third year, what happened? So that's why, that is the reason now I got one thing. Another thing that, if I want to save more money for my parents, like I can do only one thing. What was that thing is that i have to I have to do one thing. What was that one thing is that I have to vacate the hostel, because I'm paying nearly 1 lakh per hostel. If I come to outside of the hostel, I can pay 60,000 only, so that I can save for my parents 40,000. In the meanwhile, like that I can save. You know guys, hostel we having a lot of facilities compared to PG. The people who came to my PG, they'll get to know. You know, my PG used to have, like, you can ask Rohanji, like, cockroaches, right? No proper food, mainly lot of things, but still no worries, right? This, it's my, because my dad, you know guys, my dad was staying in Kuwait from past 18 years when I born, right? From that time to till that time, like every yearly once he used to come, he used to stay here 1 or 2 months, that's it, not more than that. Usually if I calculate everything, how much time he has spent, he didn't spend at least 1 year in the time he spent from when I born to till the date. He didn't spend at least 1 year with me. He was working being in there. You understand, my dear friend, if your mom and dad is different, I mean, like, it's not there, they're having love each other, if they're staying long away, how do you feel, right? Right, they won't be having happiness. Why they have to do for our purpose only, right? For my purpose only, right? They were, right, they are not enjoying with that money, they are paying for my college fees only, they are working. That's why they have taken commitment and they were living in the long. So if they are doing such type of things, can't they do a small sacrifice for them? Small sacrifice. How much ever I used to save, like that I used to save. I told them, mom, like, I'm getting a lot of money, don't tell. I used to get 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, but I told a lot of money I'm getting, right? So they were like, I stopped taking money from them. Now third year started. Now again I told thought, now I increased my knowledge. Wherever I felt, I learned everything. Whenever I felt down, I learned everything. I learned lot of things like that. And again I started journey. Again I started journey, right? 50 people first year built, gone. Second year 100 year I built, gone. Now I used to, now for saving money, what I have done, I didn't choose long colleges. I chose my college, and my near my college, one of the college was a KNSIT. I used to walk daily, right? Actually, it was from there to one of the Bellali crossings. There is no buses. From there, one bus service will be 5 rupees. Sir. Even I am not having 5 rupees. Even I used to not have 5 rupees. I used to walk for 5 kilometers. I used to walk for 5 kilometers daily. For 1 2 months, I had to travel like that. I used to walk like that. I was like doing presentations. After my college, this is my work. My friends, they enjoyed how much, I can't believe so much of enjoyment. At least in that 1% also I didn't enjoy. Only in Bangalore I came, I went to Nandi Hills. That is the only one enjoyment I have done. Till now, no, nothing has done in my college life. Because I was working. But in the process, I learned lot of experience I got. My age was 19 at the third year. All right. I was my third year, my age was 19. So I was done. I started building again. I started building team. Like, it has taken a long time, right? No one was there, right? No appliance was there, no support was there. Only I'm the one. If I stop, everything will stop. If I run, everything will run. But guys, paying 17,000, it's not an easy. Like, people will ask a lot of questions. I'm not like that much. So somehow, I survived my life. For 1 year, I built 50 team. For 1 year, I built 50 team by roaming here and there. And that time in third year, I used to come to Tirupati. In the night there will be one train. For the train, night means people will not come and check. I mean, like, ticket. Night, so that I used to come for free of cost. So I used to come and I used. Sorry. Now it's okay, right?
Yeah. You can continue.
Right. Night I used to come like that, and I used to use Paytm cashbacks. All right, cashbacks wherever it will be getting. I used to refer the people. I used to get the money. With that money, I used to spend my journey. So like that, I came to Tirupati. After coming to Tirupati, I used to not to go home. Right. I used to go from one of my friend house. Like I used to stay there. Actually, I am the person. If there is no bed, I won't sleep. But there, I started sleeping. I started sleeping on the floors. They were very poor. They were very poor. Right, I started sleeping. Right, if there is no AC, nothing, I can't speak. I mean, I can't sleep on. Like I'm the person who's having luxury. Right there, I used to sleep. No food, no proper sleep. Like mosquitoes bite, everything. I used to hide from my parents, and I used to work. I'll come to my hometown, but I won't go to home. I'll return back to back. Like that, 1 year I didn't go to home. 1 year I didn't go to home because I taken a commitment. Until unless I do something, then only I'll go to home. Because everyone likes to go to home, right? I should have something burning desire. The burning desire that I have made myself strong, and I didn't just simply sit. I was lot. I learned a lot. I faced lot of rejections. Lot of rejections. See, think guys, 1 year about 50 people got in third year, right? Nothing, no money, right? Friends used to criticize still. You know what happened? By building that 50 people, right? I used to, there were some accounts like that. We can open 2, 3 accounts. I opened with that 100 people, which I got the money. In my third year, I gifted myself the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, which is worth of 68,000. Right? People were shocked. Acha, you are having this phone, na? How you got Galaxy Note 8? That was the reason where people were started asking, oh my God, how you got? Right? That time they were another level. Right? So this was the thing there. I changed. Now I started one momentum. Now I got some momentum. Okay. And I started doing my presentation, sitting roadsides, wherever it is possible. I used to do, it's for small rooms. I'll show you some things. 1 minute. I'll share my screen. I don't know how to conduct meeting, but still I used to conduct meeting. Because that was the desire. I want to do something. There's no hardly more than 5 people. I used to book a room. Like it's just a 200 rupees of room, that is in somewhere youth hostel in Tirupati. I used to do that. Okay. So like that, I used to build my team like slowly, but nothing. Many meetings I conducted, no one joins. Many meetings I conducted, no one joins because I don't know how to do meeting mainly. Mainly I don't know how to do presentations. I don't know how to do presentations. I am not having proper English. Like these are all my minus. But I got to know by doing. By doing only I got to know. You tell me guys, how was my English now? How was my presentation now? The presentation PDF which we were prepared, it was prepared by me. It was not prepared by Kushal sir. No, Kushal's entire team was using. Entire South India Vestige was using that. Right? See, when you doesn't have nothing, it was just, by doing this business. Why I liked this business, even though I'm not having that much of thing, because it showed me what I doesn't have. It showed me what I doesn't have. I doesn't have money. If I don't have money, I cannot survive. Right? Without my parents, I cannot live. And by seeing situations like I'm not having skills, I'm not having anything. It all showed through this business. After entering in this business only, I got to know all these things. Right? Then I started building. Again, 50 people I built. Now, 4th year I entered. Okay, 4th year I entered. Still, I was good momentum. Now, team got one power. Now, people start rising daily. 2-3 joinings used to come. Like we used to come in a big way because they used to pay 17,000. So it's not like Vestige. Okay, what happened? What happened? Now suddenly, New Year came. Right? New Year came in my 4th year. New Year came. People told me one thing. So this was some of the clashes and etc. things. A lot of things have gone. Finally, that company actually it should, because there should be no companies. India, government has announced that like we shouldn't pay any like membership fees. Shouldn't be. It should be for free of cost. It should be like how Vestige is there, na? It should be like that. They are given because that time doing direct selling is not normal. Now they become in government has given guidelines to do direct selling. It was made that legal. Now it was legal. It's an industry now. So in such type of things, people shouldn't pay any money. It should be for free of cost. right? If there are any companies who it's used to pay, that company should be closed. They closed that company. Now what I should do? Again, the people, 50 people who raised me, they gone down. You know, only one thing. They told, no, we can't believe anything. Arey, you need to use guidelines. Now I used guidelines and I have seen guidelines, and I thought that network marketing is having future. That's why government has prepared guidelines. If there is no things, they used to not do like that. So what happened? Then I used to start. Then I 3-4 months I gone. After going, what happened? You know, after 3-4 months, nothing happened. Okay, right? It was happened. Nothing happened. So what happened? You know. Mm, I used to do normal startup things, something I was doing to improve my skills. I was doing something. Then I got to know about the Vestige on August 11th, 2019. Sorry, 2020. Sorry, 2019. Sorry, 2019 only. This was the year, right? This was the January. Yeah, 2019. 2019 I got to know. So 2019 I started Vestige. Okay, August. So what happened? August, September, October, November, December. Yeah. So August. I hope you have seen my checks, right? So I'll tell you how I just started my journey. There, 1 minute. You're able to see my screen, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this was the me. Okay, on August 11th I started. You know, first month I used to, people told that if you want to get success in this business, you need to, Kushal sir told me that you have to do consistency. Consistency means you need to take, there will be consistency offer, right? They told that. I told that I'm not having money, I can't start with that. I can go for 1,000 rupees purchase. But I thought only one thing, because of my 3 years of experience, I have seen how to build a team and how to make that all these things. People will follow what you do. Okay. I told one of my friend, he also came with me. He asked me only one thing: how much of money you are buying? I'll buy that. Then I told that I am buying consistency offer. Okay, then I'll also buy consistency offer, he told. So what happened? We both bought consistency offer, and August we didn't do much. We just started and we are knowing about this business. Okay, learning stage. We didn't focus on money. We started learning. Okay. Then second month we together promoted to all of my friends. Like I told, nearly 30-40 presentations to my friends again, but no one has joined. Okay, only one person joined. So we got some joinings with the, I mean, like strangers, all those things, juniors, like that. 1062. Okay, you know, at this point of time, I want to do business more. I want to go here and there, from Acharya College for meetings, for main branch office used to be in Shivaji Nagar. For traveling, what I used to do, you know, I used to, there was a bounce bikes. Which was that? Bikes called bounce. In that, there was given an offer that if you put a petrol for 100, you'll get 200. If you put a petrol for 100, you will used to get 200. I used to get like that money every day night. After 10 o'clock, I'll complete my work till 10 o'clock. After that, I used to get money. With that money, I used to build my business for meetings, for buying a for doing repurchase. Second month again, I have to do 3,000. Na? I got 292 rupees only. How can I do my repurchase? I can't take excuse to take consistency. I have to take a consistency. Na? If I'm telling to team, so I can't ask my parents also, because they're not having money and they are buying only some still, right? Third month, right? By utilizing that money, I invested again. I done my business 1062. Then third month again I used to do 2038 rupees. You know, guys, 3 months over. I just kept only one thing: 90 days challenge. After my first month, after knowing everything, from second month I kept 90 days challenge. 30 days over. Still 30 days left. You know, next 30 days I've done. You know what happened? 18,138 rupees. 18,000. This was the first time I was seeing in my entire last 3 years of journey. First time I have seen this much big check, because I learned skills. Because it's not, if you are having proper upline, 4 5 months is more enough to learn all the skills. But if you doesn't have any proper upline with you, that means it's like, how, if you're not having parents, how can you live a life like that in the network marketing? If you doesn't have upline, you have to. That's what I am telling you, my dear friends. If you're having upline who was helping you, be happy. Because no, I'm not having such type of thing. That's the thing. I faced lot of issues because today I was having, right now. That's what I became upline for everyone. Whatever the people, whoever does or not, I will do my things. I prepared my PPT, I prepared my basic training. I was preparing in this leadership series. Kushal sir doesn't told that prepare this, prepare that. I was taking initiative because I have to create shelter to my team. So fourth month, I built lot of team, and I have done, there that time Kushal sir told me that if you become silver director, you can come to trip, foreign trip. He told me you can come for foreign trip. At that point of time, I was thinking how to make. He told that only one thing he told: if talent doesn't works, hard work beats. If talent doesn't works, hard work beats. I just done hard work. I just done hard work daily. I used to not sleep for 3 4 hours only till night 2 3 o'clock. I used to work. Again, I used to sleep for 6 7 o'clock. I used to go for college, and again I used to come because I have to maintain my attendance. After coming again, I used to do continuous presentations, and I used to make it out like that. Sometimes people are rejecting, some people are accepting, but still I was used to go like that, like that, like that. I only one thing, because from 18 years I used to ask my dad, please take me at least one time in flight, wherever you want to, but please at least once. Because he used to not to take because of financial problem, but I don't know, right? I was like person, like I used to, be anti for my dad, as he is not fulfilling my dream. But I got my first foreign trip, right? I became silver director. I got 25,000 of income, and also I got a eligible for trip. And now I got a question that, is this really company will take to my trip? Company really will take to my trip or not? I used to get a question, right? I used to not at all think, but still I just worked my thing. Okay, still February, na, it was completed on, I think so, December, right? December it was completed, and January I got again 36,000 of income. Like this, I used to increase my income by only one thing, guys. Whatever my team people are working or not, right? Everyone is only one thing. What is the reason why I increased the check? Only the reason is consistency. The reason behind is that I have taken for 100 points, and I have promoted for 100 points, and people ask me, you have done or not? I have done. I have shown to the people, see, I have done for 100 points, and I'm using the product. If you can start with this, you can also become the success. This is the thing I have promoted from my third month of my journey. That's why my income, why it was going 18 25 36. The reason behind is that I have taken consistency, and I have promoted consistency. Okay, if you are the person, if you're not taking consistency, if you're not able to promote consistency, you cannot grow like consistency growth. You cannot get such type of things. If you do 1 2 months, you'll do. Third month you will do, you'll not do. Some reasons, right? What then I understood, what is there now? Whatever money in first 3 months I got, now I didn't spend. I invested in again in Vestige. Why? Because business people always do investments. Like I have done on my investment. I'm not doing any investment. I'm not paying any money. Just I was getting the products for my home. Now in my home, I used to get everything. This is the things I used to get. They used to use all household products. I was taking them from Vestige, and I was helping my parents like that. So I got this much money. I bought this is the suit which I was wearing. That is a Louis Philippe. The entire cost of the suit from top to bottom, including shoes, tie, shirt, everything. Cost of that is nearly 20,000. 20,000 I spent. I think so. I'll show you. Wait a minute. One minute, guys. See, I'll be showing you. Can you people can see? Have you seen?
Yeah, yeah, ji.
See, here they mentioned that. How much the total? It was my dream. You know what was my dream? One time at least I want to spend like a businessman. As if I like one time at least I need to get to know I am like looking like a businessman. I want to wear 19,825 rupees. I spent for only my suit, shirt, pant, and shoes, belt. only for these 5 things. Only for 5 things. I spent 20,000. It's a Louis Vuitton brand. No, that day it was really awesome feeling. I spent whatever money it came, it was spent. And remaining whatever money, next time 25,000 I got. Till now, I am not giving my money like to my parents. The reason behind that, I'll tell you only one thing. Because if I give you them one anything now, I will give her again start with in gold. Last time I started giving gold, but again I stopped. This time, if I start giving gold, I used to give whenever she wants. Now I'm planning the gold which is worth of necklace of 1 lakh. When I reach 1 lakh, the first 1 lakh will be spent for that. The first 1 lakh income will be spent for the gold necklace of 1 lakh. So that is the day. Now whatever money I'm getting, I'm not giving single rupee also. Single rupee also I'm not giving to my mom. Single money also. 1 minute. Right? I'll show you something, guys. Just a minute. I'll show you this vestige journey, what I used to do. Yeah. See, I have made separate album called Achievements. What is this achievements? I'll tell you. See, this was the journey. You can see here. What was the date? August. Anyone can read.
Yeah, August 6.
11th.
August 11, 2019.
Yeah, first line. Yeah, August 11th. This was the day I met Kushal Sharma sir. Okay. I stepped and with Sachin Rao sir in Tirupati it was. I started with these people. Okay. These people are the now mentors. So now I started. He is the first person in my team. He became fast track achiever. Then I started. It's not me. Here you can see the caption: new directors in making. I'm not director. Here you can see I'm the person who is sitting. It's not my team. I am one of the person. It's not my team. It's a Kushal sir team. I'm the one person in branch office. I used to attend the meet, and he is another person to complete his fast track OEG. And see how many people were there? Hardly 3, 4, 5. Along with me, 5 people were there. Okay, we started with this journey, and so we got this team. This is the team which I was in my first check. When my check was 1,000 rupees. Okay, so this was the thing, and after this I used to. He became a thing fast track achiever, and we started in a Vestige store in Bangalore, Elanka. We started meeting there. So in Tirupati, this was the meeting. He is my upline, Sachin Birao sir. He is the Sachin Birao sir. He is the upline. Right here in Tirupati, we started the. So I went Hindupur around 300 kilometers. Up and down, it was around 500 kilometers. We started in bike. We went in bike, and we met there some of the people, and we have promoted. We have done presentations there also. We have done presentations, and we have made. And midnight. So we used to do. I think so, not midnight also. It was the time it was there. 8:25 night time, 8:30 around. We used to make a plan, and we used to work. So you can see books, all books we used to have, business books only. Our PG, that is. Right, these people we started making initially. Okay, so then continuous DAFs. This is my starting phase. I think so. The people who are in starting phase now, you people are busy in building DAFs. Okay, then I came Tirupati, heading towards Temple City. You can see how many times I traveled to Tirupati and Bangalore, right? So again I made there. I came work mode nights. At night time I used to do. Right, it was work time. At that time I met Vasantji and Harishji. That was a new beginning with those people. Okay, so when I met these two people, now these people are silver director and director. He is Harishji, who is at my left. Is a silver director. The person who is wearing specs, he was a Vasantji. He is the director. Great leaders. And a girl completed his fast track. Shwetabraji, she completed her fast track, and my team started building. And we started small meeting. How many people? 4, 5 people. We just started building. I was fast track achiever. I received my badge. If you are fast track achiever, you will get badge. Okay. So this was the thing. I made some fast track achievers in my team. Now people started achieving lot of things. Okay. So people have seen my post in my Instagram. Okay. This was my Instagram account. There they have seen all those things. So They have made, and we went for Madanpalli. That was one of the village area. See, you can see in a classroom we have done presentations. In a classroom we have done presentations. See how many people? Hardly like 10 people were there. We went to around there and we have done presentations there. So this was you can see this was the school called Narayana. Like you can see that. Where is that? Yeah, you can see here Narayana English Medium School. I think so. You know, many people knows Narayana is a famous. In that school, we are used to done presentations. Then early morning discussions with these people. They used to go to college. Before going to college, they used to meet me first because they were also very much dreamers. You will be listening these two people also soon. Very amazing people, right? See, these people also very much this. And you know, guys, this is a success seminar which I was attended in Bangalore. You know what happened? My team, entire team was in vacation. Like that time, something holidays has came. Dasara holidays, something October. Dasara holidays, something I don't know. People, everyone went. I came for Bangalore to attend this seminar. Only I am attended. I attended because that's what the thing I have given importance. Because in network marketing, if you want to grow, you need to attend a lot of meetings. Because if you attend meetings, what happens? You know, you'll get a lot of knowledge. That is the only reason. It's not about. It's not a mandatory. I attended myself only one. I attended this success seminar. I learned a lot of things, and I teach it to my team. And he was an auto driver. He was an auto driver. He started by believing me, and he started the business. And PPTs, after continuous PPTs, I used to, you can see this is the bike called Bounce bike. Okay, in this you need to put petrol, and we used to go to meetings. I'm from Tirupati. Harish, he completed his fast track. Right, he was an auto driver. I said right, auto. He was. He's Vasanji, one more later. He completed his first track. See, when the things was in October, these people also at your level only, but today they were something, right? So I used to do trainings, right? So this was the team. I'll show one by pics. If I take all pics, it takes a lot of time, right? This was the team. You can see here growing leader Shweta ji, right? These people. So again, see, I want to show you one thing. Before I'm not into Vestige, my wardrobe was filled with different brands. This was the thing: face wash, right? The surf powder, the shampoo, perfume, everything. After coming into the Vestige, see what was that? What was this? My wardrobe changed, my life changed. My wardrobe has changed, my life also changed. Right? This is the reason why it was converted. My income was 18,000. You know, whomever will come to my team, my teammates will come to my room now. They will open my wardrobe to take that books. You can see how many books here downside. This was the books from college, and this was my diaries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 diaries from last for 3 years. I used to maintain whatever diaries. Every diary was there. This was my first diary in 2016. Every diary was there, and this was the one of the award I was received there. Right here, the books to improve my business. Everything. It was like a library. I used to make it up. Okay, this was the thing. I changed. This was the reason why I changed into 18,000. So he was the person, one of the teammates. He enjoyed the like he worked, and Kushal sir with Tirupati team, growing team. So here, see, it's not a class, guys. It was a training. So you can see many people. They were down. Now they are at that not that level. They were learning everything. Right? They have done trainings in the room of Harishi. Right? Day and night we worked. Right? No matter of timings. See, time at 12:04. Hustle mode. No more excuses. Midnight talks. You can see the timing. 12:20 a.m. Midnight talks on the roads. We used to walk and talk. Right? By meeting associates. Right? Attended healthcare meeting. All with the team. This entire row. Last time it was entire rows were occupied by us. Right? We attended the meeting. My dad has gifted me AirPods too, so that I used to talk a lot of calls. Right? He gifted me AirPods. So this was the thing. And then Vasanji came to. Sorry. So one of my Vasanji, he came to Bangalore. We enjoyed there a little bit. And then this was the thing. You can see here, guys. This was not the thing. I went to a ride. Actually, I actually went in a Bounce bike to put a petrol. For that purpose, I went outside. So at that point of time, I had taken pics. And this was the success seminar we attended with that team. And we taken actions. We went to that biryani place. And again, back to Tirupati, 11:26 p.m. night time. I told you, right? I always catch night time trains so that I can save my money. Okay. So again 11:37 p.m. No excuse. Big things in Bangalore. This is Bangalore. You can see again bounce bike only. Right. Every day I used to see bounce bike only. 12 a.m. again back to Bangalore. Right. With leaders. Next to have my dinner. Right. So Acharya Institute was along 30-40 kilometers, 30-35 kilometers from my college. I used to go there, and these people are they were. See, that time I got to know that you can go for Thailand. 23rd November, I got to know. So then I started. I became director. That time, this was the thing, right? So we used to promote lot of things, and when I became director, they became silver director. Sorry, silver director. They given me a badge, and I started speaking in front of the people. Sorry. So this was the badges I got step by step, step by step, step by step. 2nd December we are. See, we have done consistency. We 4 people have done consistency. Right? Purchase done. First, now you know. Once upon a time, I was the one person in the team, I mean, in the same room. Now, in the same room, entire my team was occupied now. Now, in the same room, once upon a time, I am the one. At the September, in the December, along with me, my team was there. This was the growth, guys. We can't expect, we can't know that what was today and next, right? So again, we started core meetings. See, this is my room. You can see my room, a small room. Okay. Then we got a chance to speak in front of the people, in front of 150 people auditorium. So here you can see, right? So here you can see starting in front of the people, 150 people. That time my team used to get checks. Lot of people they used to get checks. I was very happy. Everyone is growing. Even he was a person who was studying in 2nd year and he was earning. I'll show you this. So at that point of my checks, he was the one 60 rupees, 650 rupees, 12,000 rupees. He was 82 rupees, 284 rupees, 15,000 rupees. My team also got some income and we enjoyed with the team. So we all people have some celebration. When we got a big check of 18,000, that time we celebrated with the team. Yeah, I given a party for them, all of them. We enjoyed a lot. We on the day we invented the name called Team Wizards, and I attended VLCP. This was a superb series where you can learn leadership. We attended Western leadership. Yeah. My dream to meet a pilot. You know, at that point of time, VLC was connected in a 5-star hotel, right, in Holiday Inn. Right, that time I met Etihad pilot. Right, it was my dream to take a pic with pilot. I had taken that. That was very happiest moment there. So in our team, one of the he is college second year. He gifted his dad a Parker pen. Next, he gifted a phone for his dad. So this was the thing. Again, you can see this is exams times. So Tirupati, again Tirupati, again Tirupati, right? Different times, right? In Tirupati, when I come, I used to work 12 o'clock. Again back to Bangalore from Tirupati, back to Bangalore. Again back to Tirupati, right? See how many times I used to go. Again late night works in Tirupati, right? Again we went to Bangalore. I have done. Then I started. You know, I used to show demos to the people also. I used to make families. After becoming earning 25,000 also, still I made families. I used to show me and Harish to see. We went to homes and we have shown the difference between how Lysol products and how our products. See, showing demos also is the biggest thing. But that will happen when you are in offline. Okay. Now we are doing in online. We cannot show all these things. When you are offline, you have to show. Then people start believes. We started with families also. We started showing all the things, how APFI works, how these things. Right? It doesn't mean that success is the thing that it's a last level. I came to the down level and I worked everywhere. Right? Her dad was very much happy by giving her. She earned around 20,000. I mean, earning 20,000 per month. Shweta Priyaji. Right? This was the day. She was very happy. And one more leader entered, Rohanji. He was another growing leader. He started completing his fast try. He received first time medal from Kushal Sharma sir. He received award from Kushal Sharma sir. Again back to Tirupati. No more excuses. The person I told you, right, one of the person started a auto driver. He completed his self 1000 PB and he became a speaker in front of, I mean, like he achieved medal for South India. Again back to Bangalore. Right? So I got an award being a speaker at the South India Convention. Team Shekhar Silver Director. And one more good thing, the check was 1,000 rupees. I will show you now what he is. Vasanji, the person who invited me now. Now you can see Rohanji checks. 27 rupees. Second one 255 rupees. Stay tuned. He'll be started rocking. And even this person, amazing person. Soon you'll be listening to his story. Wherever it is, he used to stay in a small village, one room he used to take, and he used to do meetings. Right? Very good person, interactive. Right? See, then I started working, going to Nellore, off to Nellore. There I worked with two people. They were household people. I started working with them. New city, Ongole I went. From there around 4 or 5 hours of journey. There I met different people. Again midnight, Kanigiri. It was another place where from there it was 3 hours. We went and I worked there. Again from there back to Nellore. Right? So Harshitji, again new leader has entered. So it got a gift check was received by the government. I mean like Vestige. We started taking trainings, right? So now team was slowly increasing. We have spent some devotional time. So see my schedule, how we used to make 15-day schedule March, but finally when I planned to go to, I think so, Bangalore 16th, that time lockdown has happened from my home. Okay, I started back from Nellore, Nagiri, right? I went to college, guys, entire college. See, now I am the person who entire, those people are not associates. They were the people guests. They were attending the college. It's a degree college. I went there. I have taken permission from the principal. I have done, me and Soiji, one of the another leader from Jaipur. We told entire people we told. All the people. After that time, only lockdown came. We are not able to meet them. After this lockdown, we should meet them. 50 people we met around. Next stop, Puttur. Right? Then lockdown came. I started taking in Zoom meetings. Now see, the person who invited me, Vasanji, when he is receiving his checks, he was very happy. Okay, his first check when he got. Okay, so he has done for shopping for 7,000 around. Right? So interaction with the team. Slowly, right? Now I didn't stop. Even the lockdown has came, still I didn't stop. I started taking meetings. I become gold director. I started meetings, taking meetings to a lot of people. See, now I taken its challenge, online trainings. So every day, like you can see here, all the things. Then again, one more good up leaders, Bhumika ji, Amulya ji, Kirti ji, Naresh ji, right? So Vasan ji, these people, they completed, Vasan ji, he completed his director. Right, Abdul ji, he reached 11%. Harish ji, he was one of the leader. He completed silver director. Right, see these people. I showed you, right? I showed you at 1,000 rupees. Now he was at 8,000 rupees. That's what I told you, right? Time will not be the same. It will be keep on changing. So it changed. So like this, everything got changed. Right? Everything. Say continuous. You can say whatever meeting I'll do now, I'll take screenshot and I'll make it out. See, now he started taking individual, like he started taking meetings. Right, slowly we were increasing like this. Now see, this was the day. Now finally I came to here. Right, guys, this was the thing. This was the journey I made. This was the journey I made to reach. 1 minute. So this was the journey I made to reach these levels. You're able to see my screen?
Yeah, ji.
Right, this was the thing, guys. This was the journey I made in Vestige. Initially I learned, I started understanding I have to take consistency, so that if you are the leader, you have to take something so that it will be duplicated by the same. So if I could have not done initially consistency, today I could have not reached that 36,000. On first day I didn't thought of 3,000 rupees. I thought of, I have to use the products if I want to promote this business to maximum people, and I have to use the maximum products. That is the reason I didn't take excuse. I didn't feel like investment, because I am getting for 3,000 products only. Instead of paying in DMart, I'm paying in Vestige. I'm getting products. I'm used every product. I used to tell a lot of people that about that review. In 3 months, I used every product. I got a full detailed value about the product from agriculture to everywhere, and I have seen. But in 3 months, I didn't focus on income. I focused on how products were, and I completed my consistency. I have seen everything. Okay, and that point of time, fourth month, with the boost of knowledge, I improved 18, 25, 36, never go down. Then I got a chance to go for, see, this is another one. I'll show you next. I got a chance to go for Thailand, 18 years dream to go for a foreign trip. I don't know where I want to go, but I want to go foreign trip and I want to take a foreign flight. You know why? What is the reason why I want to take foreign flight? I went before one trip in my previous company. I just got my check and I traveled to Delhi. That was the first dream. I bought my ticket with my check only. You know what happened? On the time in that flight, there was no TV. I mean, like that they used to have a TV, right? For the TV purpose, only in foreign flights only you will get food and that TV. I used to like to eat at the flight because flight will be traveling at the a lot of altitude, right? 40, 50,000 altitude. And there, if you're eating the food, how you look? Okay, sitting in window side. So this was the reason I thought to go for foreign trip. That was a crazy thing I got. Okay, I got an eligible. Then I went. Till now, it was like a dream only. I didn't feel that, right? I was into Thailand till now. I was shocked. Even is it? I am only went and came. So we went and attended cultural activities. So guys, this is a jet ski ride, right? So it's a bike. We need to drive there in the ocean. So scuba diving. You know that many people used to tell I don't know swimming, but I used to go down like swimming, but it was a very horrible experience. I went down to the ocean. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes of time to go down to the ocean, and used to walk their ocean in the inside the ocean and the depth of the ocean and total depth. They used to walk. Okay, so a lot of fishes. Around half an hour we stayed there. So it was really superb experience. Amazing. Right, Vestige was really awesome, guys. When I didn't pay single money. I thought that when I eligible also, I thought that I have to pay money, but no, they didn't take single rupee. They told me just submit the passport. I submitted the passport. I went and came. Now they given me passport. Passport also back. I done paragliding, parasailing. It was a parasailing. They used to take in a parachute up, and they used to suddenly release you, and it will come into the depth of the ocean. When you come into the depth of the ocean, when you dip it, they will dip in the ocean and again they will rise up. Again you will go up fast. Such a thing. I am not having video. I can show you the video. No one has taken the video on that way. Right, this was the thing. I was spent my Thailand diaries. There was a lot of photos. The video clip was preparing. Once as soon as it will get ready, I'll upload in the Team Wizards. We are giving a logo and we are having a YouTube channel. Soon we will release that in a week. You will be getting everything there. So this was the days I spent and I enjoyed. So this was the journey I made. So initially everyone will face a problem, but it's not about that. I faced every problem, but no excuse. Whatever the possibilities, whatever the situations I used to find opportunities. That's it. I used to get opportunities. I used to go there and I used to work for that simply. That was the only thing, guys. This was the reason why I worked and I started. Now I become financially set. Now I'm taking the target because even the lockdown came, I was little confused. I thought that May 10th check should be 1 lakh, but no. I taken challenge. Now I have taken challenge even though it's lockdown time. But I'm telling you, on August 11th I joined, right? On August 10th I'm going to, even though it's lockdown, there is no delivery services. If the lockdown is not going to complete, if it's going to complete, whatever it is the situation, August 10th check will be 1 lakh. That is pakka, fix. This is the target now. By sitting in home, I was targeting that and I was working. This is the spirit. And I told you, right, once I reach 1 lakh, what is I going to do? Right, that was the thing. Till that I'm not going to give single rupee to anyone for my family, because I want to invest on my business, right? So this was the thing, right? So this was the thing present, right? This was my future is next 5 years. I was like totally focused on network marketing, and now I completed my studies. Also, I was taking full-time network marketing because it is having a beautiful future. So I understood. I have seen in my past 3-4 years of experience why I stick to this network marketing, because it's having future. If anything is having future, now we need to stay for a long time, because then only we can see the reality. That's the reason when I started, I was thinking how to become famous, how to do trainings, how to talk with the people. Now Everyone is telling that, sir, your training was superb, your presentation was superb, the way you were telling is superb. Right? I was talking. Once upon a time, I was nothing. Now people are telling that you are superb. You please teach us. See, that was the transformation comes when you work until unless you doesn't give up. What are the situation? It's up to you only. Now the thing, the people used to call me for they are not my team, but still they used to call for their team. Please, sir, come and tell about your story, sir. Because that's what it's inspiring, guys. When you doesn't give up, when you work for yourself, and when you believe on yourself, one day will come. Everyone is having different stories. Okay, just we need to believe and we need to work for that. So this was the journey till now I am made, and this was the thing. Guys, till now my parents not yet supporting me. Till now, not yet my parents are not supporting me, but still I was doing. But still, even though this money was there, but still they are not supporting. But still, I know that what I am doing. Just I want to do that, right? I used to sit at bathrooms. I used to do trainings and all those things, right? It was a day, right? No more give ups. Even till the now also, even I used to come to Tirupati. I used to say that the person who hosted, I used to stay in his house and I used to do meetings and trainings here when lockdown was not there. But still, right? I'm not that's sort of that is the thing. But still, if I stay in home, I can't do the work. But still, I was doing the work. So this was the thing, motivation I have taken. I have make an inspiration. That was the reason why my checks was increasing. That was the thing why I was growing. That was the pain. When pain comes to your heart, that makes you to work a day and night. That was the only reason why I'm able to work and why I'm able to manage everything. The pain which I got, it never be forgettable. So this is the thing of my journey, guys. This is the journey of how I started, how I felt, and how I changed, how I believed, and how I searched for opportunities in every tough time, and I have seen and I have came forward. So that's what you have to do. Everyone is having different story. You need not to follow this story. Everyone will be having different part of story, but you're not worried now because you're having a beautiful upline. I'm having a full support. I'm having, right? I can give you people so that you cannot worry about that, because I know the pain. If you doesn't have a plan, what will be the issue? What will be the situation? Okay. So this was the thing of my journey,
Yes,
right?
sir. Thank you
That's it.
so much, sir. Guys, how was the journey? How was the Munizar journey? Again, he told only 50% journey only. Again, he told only 50%. So, remaining 50% is also there, sir. I know. I need a comments from you guys, from your side, Please comment. How was the journey? How was Munizar journey? I'm going to take a screenshot. Your screen, your comments. Come on, guys, hurry up. Wow, wow. Then inspiring to all of the people. Yeah, yeah. Okay, then.
Thank you, guys. Like, right? What do you want to tell? Like, see, only one thing I want to tell you, people. See, when you doesn't have support, everything will be a problem. But don't worry, guys. I got a pain. I know what to do. Right? I learned everything. Now it's only thing that your trust is required. That's it. If you believe yourself, whatever the thing you have, it will get right. Injection is rejection. Rejection is like it's like an injection. You have to take that injection to you, and you have to make yourself better. That was the thing. Don't worry. The way, like many people asked me, right? Teach us PPT. 1 month back, they asked me. 1 month back, they asked me how to do PPT. Now the same person who is doing PPT very well now, right? Those are the people, guys. I can tell you only one thing. If you believe and if you have trust upon your appliance, because your appliance was trained by me only. Okay, no need to worry. At any time, if you want to talk to me also, even though your appliance are not responding, I am the person who can respond you proper. Okay, you cannot do, right? No one, if it's not there also, I will be there because I know the pain. Don't worry. I was planned for next 5 years. I was being with you. But if you're going to trust, and if you whatever dreams you have, just I will be with you. So what are the situation I can make manage you? That was the only thing I can tell you, guys. So trust and believe yourself. Don't believe me, believe yourself. Have a trust upon me, have a faith enough. Okay, whatever we tell, just follow that. It's whatever we tell, it's for your good sake. So that was the thing. And this was the thing we are going to do. We are going to do lot of things for your people's sake. But don't worry, guys, every person's journey will be starting same. but don't compare your chapter 1 with the someone's chapter 30 or someone. Now I am at some other chapter, 30, 40 chapter. You are the first, second chapter, right? How I can end like Munshekar sir, right? It will take time. Okay, some people takes months, some people take years, but some people take days. But I'm telling you guys, one thing you keep it in your mind: as much as late your success comes, that means it's going to double your success. Okay, if you're getting 1 year late, your success is going to be doubled up, right? 3 years back, I'm telling you, 3 years, no one has seen me. Now, now the persons who was having at the age 25, now my age is just 20, not 21 also, 20. I'm going to turn up on May 16, 21. Okay, so I was at 20 now. The people who are having more than my experience, I'm having 3 experience, some people are having 5 6 years experience, 7 years experience. Now they are asking me, sir, please train our team, please train our team, please talk to our team, right? Give me some suggestions how to build a team. See, this was the thing. Even though they are 5 years more elder than me, more having more experience, but still they are asking. That's what I'm telling you, right? When what I should say, there was a dialogue in KGF: if a lion gets hurt, the sound which was getting from him, it was louder. As much as I get your harder, it will be more, your result will be more. That result cannot be paid by anyone, right? So that was the thing, right? Everyone, I used to like, now I was really shocked when I prepared my PPT and when I told to Kushal sir, like he asked everything, and now he is promoting entire India Western dream team, like the person like Kushal sir team, everyone is promoting these checks only. That's what, when you become famous now, suddenly you become famous. We can't tell when you shouldn't work for becoming famous. You should work for yourself and you should be satisfied yourself, and you have to understand your situations, and you have to work accordingly. No one can help you. Your situations, if you're going to manage, that's going to be inspiring. If your situations, someone is coming and telling you, that's not going to be inspiring. Guys, only one code I believe you: if you see problem as a problem, you are the person who is going to be a example for failure. If you are going to see a problem as a challenge, you are the person who is going to be an example for the success. Want to be an example for success, want to be an example for failure, it's up to you. It's all about how you see the problem, right? Taking as a challenge gives you the life like this. Okay, taking as a failure, someone like the person who was started with me, no one was there with me. I'm telling you, now entire my team, no one is gonna have it. Even the person who hosted this meet, Pasanji, no one is my friend. Only one person is there in my friend. In entire team, in entire my 500 team, only one person is my friend. None of them is. So that was the thing, right? Even though if you're not, friends are not going to come. If you have faith upon you, definitely you'll grow. Even Kushal sir is having 4 friends of him. That's it. With 4 friends, he built 50,000 team. So that was the thing. Guys, if any questions you want to ask, you can ask. Like any questions you want to ask, you can ask me.
Guys, is there any questions from your side? Ask Munshekar sir.
Chat or whatever.
Yeah, Harishji.
Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Muniji.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute. I'm going to unmute him.
Harishji want to ask you.
1 minute. Yeah, Harish.
Good morning, G. Where is your
Good
video,
morning.
G? I want to see you.
Yeah, 1 minute. Actually, my charge got over, so that's why I
Uh-huh.
connected the AirPods. Yeah,
Hmm.
you can ask,
It's
bro.
very thank you, Ji. Thank you for your sharing your journey throughout your this industry. It's very inspiring a lot for everyone, those who are attended this meeting. And I wa- I was like when we I don't know Ji how we meet. It was very crazy. Uh,
Yeah,
can you please share it? I mean, like you only tell that Ji. Ji.
like,
One thing I want to ask Ji. Okay.
yeah.
Well, without wasting time, now approximately 1 hour 41 minutes got over. And one
Mm,
thing I want to ask, the thing which is when people are studying in college,
mm,
Ji, are you understanding? When
yeah,
people were studying in their colleges, everyone will have a thought that they want to become a highlight. I mean, they want to become highlight in their classes.
mm,
Everyone say yes or no, Ji. I want a comment. I mean, like everyone want that or not?
yes.
ఏం జీ వసంత్ జీ ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి హైలైట్ అవ్వాలని ఉంటుంది కదా
Yeah, yeah,
క్లాస్ లో
yeah.
ఓకేనా అది అనుకోకుండా మున్శేఖర్ జీకి థాయిలాండ్ ట్రిప్ కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు జరిగింది అనుకుంటున్నాను అప్పుడు మీ ఫీలింగ్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి జీ అండ్ మీ సార్ అడిగాడు కదా లైక్ మీ సార్ అడిగినప్పుడు అరే నేనే లెక్చరర్ కదా నేను లెక్చరర్
See,
నేనే
I'll
పోలేకపోతున్నా
be, yeah. As Vasanji told that 100% story I didn't tell because if I want to tell everything now, it takes still 2 3 hours of time
Yeah,
because
yeah.
I cut it everything because it's not an 1 day journey. I can tell you, it's a 3 years of journey with a lot of adventures I have done my journey. Okay, but I can tell you through this. What he asked, like regarding Thailand, when you went, what was the feeling and what was the situations from your lecturers? Yes or not? This was the thing. You unmuted yourself. Yeah,
yeah Ji, that was the thing.
yeah.
How you felt.
See, when I actually, it was a dream that from my first year, from first year when I went to network marketing, that time only I used to tell to my friends. My friends used to tell one thing: first you change your phone, Macha. Let's talk then about trips.
Ah.
Okay.
Mm,
So that
mm.
was the one thing. In that industry I couldn't make it out, but after coming here, they told me this thing. So then I made it out. After making this thing, what happened? Like
Arasadji.
I became a silver director. When I became
Mm-hmm.
silver director, I told to some of my friends that I was to go to Thailand. Macha, it will not work out. You are just simply getting a like they were simply telling they won't take it out. Okay, they were
Mm.
not believed. On that day, like many people not believed. When I got my tickets from Vestige, flight tickets, they were, Macha, this is a real ticket or a duplicate ticket? Okay, that
Mm,
was the one
mm,
thing. Then after, till then they didn't believe. I called them, Macha, come, let's go for airport. They thought that
mm,
I was doing a drama. Okay. After
mhm.
that night, I went to airport. I just make a video call for them. They were seeing like this. Macha, are you really in airport or it's in a virtual background outside, backside? Right?
Mm,
So they
mm,
didn't believe me. After that, I was project. We are working in a project as we are in the fourth year. Okay, so I went to there where I should say Thailand. People,
mm.
you called me like Muni, like I want to like we want to prepare a report. Please come near to our block, bro. If I
Yeah,
want
Ji.
to come to our block, it will take a lot of time. I had to take flight first.
Mm,
So he asked me, "How? Where are you?" In Thailand. So then he went to my teacher and he asked me. I mean, he told to my teacher, "Sir, ma'am, like actually Munishekar was not. Actually, we are four. Only 3 people went." Ma'am
mm,
asked, "Where is Munishekar?" Okay. He told only one thing, "Ma'am, like actually he was in Thailand. Thailand. Why did he went?" She
mm,
immediately called me through WhatsApp. She called me a
mm,
lot of times because as it is my Indian SIM, it was not working there. So she
mm.
called me through WhatsApp. I responded to her call. I think so. You unmuted, right? So like she called me. What happened, Muncheka? Why you went Thailand? Who taken you? Either your parents or you simply you went. Now actually I'm having a business conference and I came here like this. She told she you know how much marks she had given? Out of 50, she had given 44 without telling anything. You know what happened? She got to know that actually guys there was a ma'am like from our max department. She used to my journey only she knows because in every time how you used to work my status everything she used to see. She was a ma'am who told to that project guy. He was the person who worked from starting to till that day. I have never seen such a person in my life. Being in Reva University, particularly in Reva University, there were many people who have a lot of money used to waste their life. But this person from the first year onwards, I was seeing that he is managing his studies without one backlog. Without one backlog, he started studying. He never give up in his studies, and also he never give up on his business. I've seen a lot of hard times. Guy, my dear, she told only one thing. If these people are doing project, I don't know what, but the person he's having skills, it's an amazing. Okay, by being in Thailand, just through one call, she got to know everything. So she had given 44 marks. See, I didn't get by telling you, the people who attended there, 3 people, they got 30 marks. I am the person who got 44 marks out of 50. Right? So this was the thing made my ma'am to inspire. And she asked how you went. Like, see, ma'am, I was doing a business, all those things. She told me, once you come to here, you just tell me about the business. I went and told the business plan, and I told her, like, she told that she created account. She created account, and she also started yet to start business. But this lockdown, all this happened. I didn't reach Bangalore again. I came to Tirupati after there. Then I didn't reach Bangalore, so we couldn't able to start the business. This was the thing happened. My Thailand journey makes my teachers to know about my journey, and also make them to join in my business, and also free marks. Right? This made my Thailand, and also that was the thing. And she asked a lot of photos also. I sent her all my photos. She asked me how was the budget, like, please tell me, we'll also go for Thailand, all those things. This was my experience, she asked. So this was the thing exactly happened actually with my teacher, project guide. Got it? And anything else?
I want to share one thing about
Yeah.
guys. I want to share one thing about Munsekar sir, how he cares team, and how he trained well as a leader. Guys, we are so much lucky, guys. We are under the great leadership. So I want to share you one thing about Munsekar sir. So when I met first time at Munsekar ji, in arts college, right sir? Arts college.
Yeah.
తెలుగులో చెప్తాను, కొంచెం అర్థం చేసుకొని ట్రై చేయండి. సో ఆ ఫీలింగ్ నేను చెప్పలేను కరెక్ట్ గా
Yeah,
కన్వే
you can.
ఓకేనా. సో నేను మీట్ అయినప్పుడు ఏమనంటే, చంద్రశేఖర్ సార్ మీట్ అయినప్పుడు మేమిద్దరం డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఓకే, సార్ వస్తున్నాడు, ఓకే మాట్లాడదాం అది ఇది అనుకుంటాను. ఆ రోజు మీట్ అయినప్పుడు చాలా నాలెడ్జ్ గెయిన్ చేసుకున్నాను ఆ రోజు సార్ నుంచి. సో వెస్టేజ్ నేను ఎందుకు చెయ్యాలి, ఆ రోజు నాకు క్లియర్ కట్ ఐడియా వచ్చింది. ఎప్పుడైతే నేను సార్ మీట్ అయ్యాను, అప్పుడు నాకు క్లియర్ కట్ ఐడియా మొత్తం ఎందుకు వెస్టేజ్ చేయాలా, ఎందుకు నెట్వర్క్ మార్కెటింగ్ చేయాలి. అప్పుడు దాకా ఏంటంటే నేను ఫుల్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ లో ఉన్నా, అసలు నెట్వర్క్ మార్కెటింగ్ చేయాలా. హరిజీ నా ఫ్రెండ్ అనమాట, ప్రెజెంటేషన్ చెప్పాడు. సో హరిజీ కోసం నేను జాయిన్ అన్నా. సో అప్పుడు చెప్పినప్పుడు మునిశేఖర్ సార్ వచ్చి నాకు మొత్తం క్లారిటీ ఇచ్చారు నెట్వర్క్ మార్కెటింగ్ గురించి, వెస్టేజ్ గురించి. సో ఆ రోజు నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసిన. ఆ రోజు నుంచి నేను మునిశేఖర్ జీని గమనిస్తూనే ఉన్నాను. సో ఆ రోజు నుంచి ఏంటంటే ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీడే అతను ఏంటంటే కాల్ చేయడం కానీ, సో అతను కేరింగ్ కానీ టీమ్మేట్స్ తో, ఓకేనా, డైలీ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీడే కాల్ చేస్తారు. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీడే అసలు మాకు పరిచయం కూడా లేదు అప్పుడు దాకా, అసలు అతనితో నాకు అంత క్లోజ్ కూడా లేదు. సో ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీడే కాల్ చేస్తాడు అనమాట. సో నేను థింక్ చేసుకున్నా, అరే ఒక 2 days కదా అయింది మనం పరిచయం అయింది, ఇంతలా కనెక్ట్ అయిపోతున్నాడు ఏమి అనుకున్నా. సో ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీడే కనెక్ట్ అవుతున్నాడు, ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీడే నా గురించి తెలుసుకుంటున్నాడు. సో అతనితో మూవ్ అయిన జర్నీ కానీ చాలా ఇన్స్పైరింగ్ అనిపించింది. ఓకేనా, ఎప్పుడైతే నేను సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఏంటంటే నేను డిమోటివేట్ అయిపోతాను అన్నమాట. సో అలా డిమోటివేట్ అయినప్పుడు సో మునిశేఖర్ జీ కాల్ చేశారు. ఓకేనా, కాల్ చేసి నా ఫ్యామిలీ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ ని, ఓకేనా, నువ్వు ఏం చేయగలుగుతావు, నువ్వు ఖచ్చితంగా చేయగలుగుతావు అని మోటివేట్ చేయడం కానీ, సో ఇలా టీమ్ ని చాలా అంటే చాలా బాగా కేర్ తీసుకుంటాను అనమాట. సో ఆ లీడర్షిప్ అయితే నా నిజంగా ఆ లీడర్షిప్ కి నేను ఫిదా అయిపోయాను ఆ రోజు నుంచి. సో అంత గ్రేట్ గా ఉంటుంది లీడర్షిప్. ఓకేనా, నేను చెప్తాను లీడర్స్, ఓకేనా, యువర్ ద పీపుల్ అండర్ ది గ్రేట్ లీడర్షిప్. ఓకేనా, నేను చెప్తాను, నేను చాలా షేర్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటాను, బట్ ఇది రైట్ టైం కాదు. ఓకేనా, నేను ఎప్పుడైతే మంచి పొజిషన్ కి వస్తాను, ఓకే, నేను ఇప్పుడు డైరెక్టర్ కంప్లీట్ చేశాను, లాస్ట్ మంత్ 8,000 ఇన్కమ్ వచ్చిందంటే కూడా నేను చెప్తాను నిజంగా మునిశేఖర్ సార్ ఆయన వల్లే నేను 8,000 కూడా గెయిన్ చేయను. ఆయన వల్ల కన్సిస్టెన్సీ గ్రోత్ కూడా. సో ఆయన ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీడే నన్ను ట్రైన్ చేస్తారు అంత బాగా. సో అంత బాగా నాలెడ్జ్, అసలు 3 years నెట్వర్క్ మార్కెటింగ్ లో ఏం నేర్చుకున్నానో తెలియదు, కానీ ఈ 6 months జర్నీలో మునిశేఖర్ సీతో ఉన్న తర్వాత అసలు నేను నెట్వర్క్ మార్కెటింగ్ లాస్ట్ 2 years లో ఏం నేర్చుకున్నానో అనిపించింది. సో దాని తర్వాత ఈ 6 months లో మొత్తం నా నాలెడ్జ్ మొత్తం ఇచ్చారు, అతని దగ్గర ఉన్న నాలెడ్జ్ మొత్తం నాకు ఇచ్చారు. సో ఇప్పుడు నా ట్రైనింగ్స్ కానీ నా స్పీకింగ్ కానీ మొత్తం నేను చేంజ్ చేసుకున్నాను బికాస్ ఆఫ్ హిమ్. ఓకేనా, మీరు కూడా చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. యు ఆర్ అండర్ ది గ్రేట్ లీడర్షిప్. ఐఎమ్ అగైన్ టెల్లింగ్, యు ఆర్ అండర్ ది గ్రేట్ లీడర్షిప్. డోంట్ మిస్ ఇట్ గాయస్. ఓకేనా, మీకు ఒక రోజు వస్తుంది. నేను అతని వల్ల డైరెక్టర్ అయ్యాను. ఓకేనా, అతను నన్ను బాగా ట్రైన్ చేస్తున్నాడు. సేమ్ అదే లీడర్షిప్ మీకు కూడా ఉంది. సో మీరు కూడా ఫ్యూచర్ లో క్రియేట్ గా రికార్డ్స్ బ్రేక్ చేయొచ్చు. విజార్డ్స్ అనేది నేను చెప్తాను, కమింగ్ 2 years లో విజార్డ్స్ అనేది మునిశేఖర్ స్ట్రీమ్ అనేది, ఓకేనా, మునిశేఖర్ జీత్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో, ఓకేనా, వాళ్ళందరూ రికార్డ్స్ బ్రేక్ చేస్తారు. నేను చెప్తాను ఖచ్చితంగా రికార్డ్స్ బ్రేక్. విజార్డ్స్ అనేది గ్రేట్ టీమ్ అయిపోతుంది వెస్ట్ లో. సో నేనైతే బిలీవ్ అవుతున్నా. మీరు బిలీవ్ అవుతున్నా నాకు తెలీదు. నేనైతే మునిశేఖర్ జీతో ఉన్నంత వరకు నేనైతే ఆయన బిలీవ్ చేస్తా. సో ఆయన లీడర్షిప్ మీద నాకు అంత బిలీవ్ ఉంది. ఓకేనా, సో నాకు తెలుసు ఖచ్చితంగా ఒకరోజు. సో మీరు కూడా ఏంటంటే స్టిక్ అవ్వండి మునిశేఖర్ జీత్. సో చాలా నేర్పిస్తాడు గాయస్, చాలా అంటే చాలా నేర్పిస్తాడు. ఓకేనా, చాలా గ్రేట్ థింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇంకా ఆయన దగ్గర మనం నేర్చుకోవాల్సినవి. సో కీప్ లెర్నింగ్.
Yeah, Ji.
Thank you,
Any
thank you.
suggestions for girls, Ji? I think so many people are working in our working in your guidance from Karnataka and from Tirupati. Any suggestions for them, beginners?
Yeah, I can give suggestions for everyone. Like, girls and boys are not different actually. When they work for, when you're working for your dreams, you know that, like, what you need to understand when you're thinking of present situation, think about your future situation also. Because I used to tell the girl leaders who used to come, I used to tell everyone, but some people used to say, some people used to go off. But only one thing I want to tell you people is that, guys, if you are like going to get a job, just think of, you will be studying for 4 years. After 4 years, what do you want to do? You want to do a job? Okay, let us think that you are getting a 1 lakh salary only. As being a girl, you are getting 1 lakh salary. You tell me, you people are, girls are compared to boys, girls are very much attached to their parents. That's or not, right? So you tell me, after 4 years, if you get a job being in a Bangalore, your family is in Bangalore, and you are getting a job at Pune, what is the use? And you tell me, being a girl, can you manage going to Pune and coming to here? Have you feel safety? Can you feel safety? Can you be happy? Can you manage the things? All those things. But you know the best part, for being in network marketing, if you can work properly, right? If you're going to tell, achieve your check as early as possible, give something to your parents, and they will give you some freedom to work. You are the person who can work by sitting in home. And you know the best part, after completing your college also, if you have become successful, now today you can see Purnima Singh, I used to show in CNT, if she's earning that much of money by sitting in home, now she's having her time with family and she's having good, you know the best part, she's having security all over the India. If she comes to Purnima Singh ma'am, if she comes to Bangalore, people used to recognize, every Western person used to recognize her, and every person, a boy, girl, they used to see like her sister. You know, that creates a lot of security also. If you are in a team network marketing, what happens, you can feel a lot of secure, because you will be getting a lot of brothers and a lot of sisters. You know, if you have one brother or one sister only, you will be feeling very happy. Just think of it, entire India, in our pledge we used to make, right, all Indians are my brothers and sisters, right? You will be getting workout out here. Everyone will be not speaking in another manner. In network marketing, I have seen many people, the girls, we always used to see in such a way a brother and sisters. So such a big bonding will be happening. No more always, I don't know like how much time your parents and your own brothers and sisters will prize you, but we are the people in network marketing who always believes you and try to lift you up. Even being a girl, you know, if a girl does anything, na, entire world will change. And that's what you need to think. When you're thinking that right now it is very difficult to work, my parents are not agreeing like this, then you need to think after 4 years when you're doing job, that time no one is going to help you, because you are the person who matured, and you have to must and should work, because your parents will get older, and we don't know when situations will become lot. Because I'm also from this much of situation to become this much of situation. You may think you may have backup, but still we don't know what time situation is gone. Have you ever think that lockdown will happen entire world? Never. It happened, right? That's what situations change suddenly. Okay, if you face such type of situation, don't go down. For that point of time, my dear friends, think of the future and work for present. And if you want to get freedom for your parents, I was telling you only one thing, you have to make them to attend some of the events which will be attending on offline in conventions, or else anything, you have to become a speaker, or else you have to give them, right, work. Starting, you invest on your business, and then you make some money and give them something. Give them a surprise. Then definitely they'll accept you. I'm telling you, right? If you can work properly and if you can make your parents free, you can work still more better, right? You can only girls can do more than boys, as I have seen in my network marketing experience. But staying girls is the most important thing. If a girl stays now, she will become right. How I experienced the last 3 years. If a girl stays minimum 3 years now, she will become famous entire world. Many girls in network marketing industry also they were famous in other countries also. So that was the thing. You will get a great celebrity feeling too. So this was the thing I wanted to tell you. Think of your future when you are thinking of your present problems. Got it?
Yeah, Ji. Thanks a lot. And we are having a best team, Ji. And they are approximately it got 2 hours completed, Ji. they
Yeah.
are uh, they are very excited to know about this business. They want to excite more. That's why they stayed in this meeting. Thanks a lot for our team. I mean, నా
Yeah,
teammates
guys.
అందరికి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తున్నాను అండ్ ఇలానే keep working on your dreams, guys, and definitely you'll become like you'll get your success soon as possible.
Yeah.
You'll
That's
work
it.
as soon as
Anything
possible.
else? Any doubts?
Thank you.
Anyone?
Thanks a lot.
To ask? Okay, guys. So as we are, yeah, as we are getting a lot of time, guys, some of the people ask something. Okay. So that's it. Anything you want to ask? Fine, guys. Yeah. Okay then. So thanks for being here, right? So this was the thing, right? Work from your home and stay safe and don't give up. Just believe yourself. You will get one day. When your day comes, no one can play the game. You only will play the game. Such a day will come. But you have to wait till the day. That many people will not wait for that day. That's what the thing. What I wanted to tell you. And that's it from my side.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, for
Yeah.
your valuable time. So, guys, um, to our love, like comments in our team wizards. After this meet, okay, how was the meet? So, like comments. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time. If there are any questions,
Yeah.
you can ask.
Yeah, okay, guys. Be ready for next tomorrow leadership series. It's going to be happen at 5 o'clock, and updates will be given in the group. Guys, follow the group updates. Okay. Thanks for you guys. All the best. And if you're having any queries, anything you want to tell me, you can text me personally, or you can ask my number in if you're offline. No worries. Okay. Free to ask. All the best.
Thank you so
Stay
much.
home. Stay safe. Thank you.